So joint arrangement is an agreement between two or more parties who have joint control. What is joint control? Joint control is sharing of control. When it is required is when there is a need for unanimous consent for a particular agreement, that for particular decision. If they need unanimous consent, that's when they go with joint control. So joint control is further divided into joint operation and joint venture. Joint operation doesn't have separate legal entity. Joint venture has separate legal entity. It is just like a company, the company which is registered. Joint operation, it's like a partnership firm. So right to asset. So these people, the parties of joint operation, have the right to assets and obligations to the obligations for the liabilities. But in case of joint venture, they don't really have right on the asset or obligation towards the liability. Instead, they have right to net assets as a whole. Then parties have interest in assets in specific proportion, like capital ratio or profit earning ratio, whatever. So they have interest on assets in a specific proportion. Since these people do not have right on the assets, they have no interest in the assets. Since so this is the explanation. What is it? Because JV is a separate legal entity and it can hold assets in its own name. They don't want any party to hold their assets in their own names. Instead, the JV itself will hold the assets in its own name. Then joint operation will share all liabilities and obligations. Joint venture liable only to the extent of their respective investment, just like your preference shares. So this is like your equity and this is like your preference shareholders. Then joint operation revenue and expenses are allocated on the basis of performance, but when it comes to joint venture, profit and loss shared on the basis of arrangements. I think this is very much clear, and further you can solve the questions from ICAI materials to get it clarified. So the first question that you are supposed to solve is this question number 16, then 17, 18 and all these questions. If you solve, you will definitely understand this concept very well.